First thing, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Learndash Dashboard functionality. Inside the backend option, we have a proper control for all the options what you are displaying inside the front end. So you can control the tiles what you have in the front end. You can also enable and disable the student activity or live activity stream, along with the each course lesson topic also have some front end fields, and you also have a control to enable and disable them. Inside the backend, you have the option to um, moderate the instructor. You can approve them, you can reject them, or you can allow them to start publishing the courses. Same for the monetization, you can also enable the monetization feature. In that way, they can also start calculating how much they have earned so far using the Learndash selling approach or WooCommerce selling approach. And for the email log, instructor can also send mails to the student, so we also keep a log of all the emails sent by all the instructor. So in that way, you also have a monitoring, like someone is not misusing the server functionalities or server resources. In that way, you can keep them in control. And for the front end point of view, we have these dashboard panel. First of all is the main dashboard panel, which gives you the tiles. We are saying them as a tiles. Next, we also have a given a visit for the most popular courses, in which how many people are enrolled. You can also display them based on the tag or some featured category tag based on that one, and you can enable and disable them for the student or the group leader. And we also have instructor earning widget like this one. Course completion, how many courses has been complete for this month, last year, and this month and last 7 days. And for the top courses, you have which courses has higher completion rate, and for the course specific details, all the courses in which you are the admin or the instructor, all the drop down you will have, and you will have a quick idea like how many student has been started or in progress or has completed your course. And you can also export this detail, and all the student data can also be exported from that one. And for the student point of view, like how many students are enrolled to your course, you will get a complete list of them. And based on that list, you will have how many student has made some progress, and there's a pie chart for them. Same for the assignment progress, same for the quiz progress. And that particular student, that will give you an idea, like suppose that he is enrolled to 3 courses, then how is that particular student progress in all these 3 courses. And we have other tabs also, like they can also modify and update their profile from the front end, so they can change their name, first name, last name, and they can also include their WordPress bio, what is comes with the WordPress default one. And you can also allow them to upload the WordPress avatar from the front end. They will get options like this one. In that way, you can control what icon will be displayed there, and they can include all the backend user profile data what we have getting from the default WordPress to the front end. And they can also reset their password from here. And they can also opt the withdraw method, like which payment method you are allowing your instructor to request a withdraw for their commission earning, like this one. I'm just giving a quick overview. These detailed functionality will be explained further step by step. And one more functionality we have is the enrolled courses. Suppose that an instructor or a student is checking their courses to how many courses they are enrolled themselves, so they have a complete course listing there based on how many courses they have enrolled. And next one is how many quiz attempts they have made so far, like this is a test profile. With this one we have not made any quiz attempt, so if you will also get a list of all the quiz attempts made so far. And next one is a course activity. Suppose that you are a author of a course and you are getting all the live activity stream, like this one. Like suppose that you have 10 students, all the 10 students, when they have completed a particular lesson, quiz or topic, hit a mark complete button on them, you will have a complete log of all those activities like this one. So in that way you can watch what exactly your students are doing with your courses. And the next is announcement. So suppose that you are enrolled to a particular course, so how many announcement has made to that particular course, you will have a complete listing like this one. And As an instructor, we have a complete course listing how a particular course will display for you editing point of view. So suppose that this is the existing course, I am going to edit it, and for a particular course currently we have these options like you can update the content, featured image, or include the category and the tags. Along with that one, you can rearrange these lessons and the topics. Suppose that a particular lesson have a couple of more topics and the quizzes, so you can also reorder them easily. In the next update, we are also going to include a functionality where you can also include the skeleton for the new course, new topic, and the new quizzes, and along with the new lesson as well here, exactly the same what you are getting inside the backend. Okay, and for the course specific, you can also enable the course material like this one. You can also include the course certificate. If you have already created that one, you just have to select that one. And for the course pagination, or like how the course you are trying to sell that course, it is a open course or the free course, you have all the options like this one. So for the recurring one, you can include the billing cycle. For the closed one, you just have to include the price and the button URL. If you are using the WooCommerce and enable the WooCommerce add-on for the Learndash, then you just have to include the course price. It will automatically create the WooCommerce product URL. The next feature what we have for the lessons, so you have a couple of lessons, you can include them and link them to the particular course. So while we are editing a particular lesson, you can select to which course it is going to link here, associated course. So you can change, it will display all your courses like which are created by yourself. And the next is the topic. Same for the topic, you have a couple of topics and you can link them to particular course. The same edit functionality what we have seen for the lesson one. This one, this from the setting, you can control to which lessons or which course it is going to associate. And the next functionality what we have for the quizzes, similar to the lesson and the topics, you can also associate this one to corresponding course. Next is the my questions. You can also publish the courses from quizzes from the front end. So for the editing point of view, you have options like this one, which type of the questions you are trying to include from the front end, and based on that one you can also include the options from the front end. It is a multiple choice or the single choice, you have all these options to the front end. Same for the assignment uploads, you can also allow them to check the assignment for a particular course. So you just have to include the lesson or the course, and then it will display the corresponding options what we have displayed there. And you can also filter them with the all courses with the course selection and the lesson selection. And after the assignment, we have the certificates. You can also create the certificate from the front end. You can also include the assignment announcement from the front end like this one. Select your course to which you are going to include announcement. For the certificate, you can also include a certificate from the front end, like include the title, include the content. You can also use the default Learndash shortcode builders to include your create your certificate. And for the quiz attempt, like how many quiz attempts is made by all your student, it will be displayed there. And you can also send a mass mail to all the student what you have for a particular course. So you just have to select the course. You can select a particular student like this one, or you can select the all student. So it's completely your call. And put a subject, include the subject description, and send mail. This is a complete overview of all the functionalities what we have with the Learndash frontend. Now in the coming lessons we are going to explain them one by one. Thank you.